Hey guys, it's Bethany from Be Sassy Stickers. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you came back, thank you so much. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, to like, and subscribe if you want to see when I put out new videos, or maybe leave a comment below. If you have any questions about where the stickers came from, just let me know. This week we're going to be using a printable kit from Paper Crown Planners. This is a kit that I printed last year and just didn't, I guess, have time to use it in my planner. So we're going to use it this year. And it's funny because I was going through my subscriptions and Anna Jolene Printables uses the same kit this week. So I will link her memory plan with me down below if you want to go check it out. It is so pretty. She also used gold foil and it turned out beautiful. So we're going to use the same kit, which I thought was really a coinky-dink. So here's the continuation of the kit. This is a printable, of course, this is great value, guys. I think this was like $4 for how many pages is this? Like 12, 15 pages, something ridiculous. Pretty much everything you need. So that's the entire kit. And then I am going to pull in some gold foil. This is from Crafts by Towie. This is from Honey Inked. This is a printable from Planning Choco. I think I'm going to use that up top here. These are also Craft by Towie, Honey Inked. These are Planning Choco overlays. And these are from the Planner Shack. So that's what we're going to do. I will go ahead and speed you up through the laying down of the kit so you don't have to suffer through that. And at the end, we will go back and put in the day by day. Okay, enjoy. Okay, hi guys, we're back and we're here to do the day by day. So, starting off on Monday, I used a printable work sticker from Beautiful Planning and I put that over top of a piece of deco from the kit. And then I went down and I used a half a box and I used a little icon from a sampler I got from Crafts from Towie in gold foil, and it's so cute. I love it. I just had to use it over there. It seemed a little plain to me, so I think I come back and put some deco underneath of it, but either way, it's super cute. So then I laid down some washi from the kit and thought I basically needed to use up some space. So I used that, and then I used a little like a floor underneath of there and another floor right there on top of the washi strip just to take up some space. On the top of Tuesday, I put this paint nails scalloped. I don't know what that is, but it's cute. I love it, and I always want to use it, but the colors are never quite right, and I want to take it up because the colors aren't right, but I don't know. We'll see. Let me know what you think below. Should I take it up or not? And then I used an Insta Post from Mr. and Mrs. Mint because I love that shop. They have the cutest printables, and or you can have them shipped. And then I just laid down another one of those half mandalas from Honey Inked to also kind of add some foil there, and a Happy Meal script from the kit. And above that, I think I also used a piece of washi with the bow underneath, and I believe I'm going to put a little flourish up there also. Then here on the bottom, this was one of my favorite things that I did the entire time, was to put this little pillow on top of some deco from the kit and a nap time sticker. I love the way they came out. That is very cute. Okay, so moving on to Wednesday, I put down, I had 3 things that I did for Instagram. I filmed it, edited, and I uploaded. So I used a 3-heart checklist from the kit with a little Instagram icon from MWD Designs in gold foil. And above that, I used some washi that I put another sampler from Crafts by Towie, I believe, sorry. This box, or the circle, is also from that same sampler kit. Super cute. So that's a desk, and then these film edit and upload are all from Design Sticker Store, which is a printable that shop that I like their fonts. Okay, so moving on to Wednesday, once again I marked it with a sampler grocery bag from Crafts by Towie and some deco from the kit, and then a script I made for myself that says get groceries. And once again, I used that little washi divider, and I used a little planner icon from the kit with a planning sesh script on top of that. And then I had some cute little groomer appointments. I put that up top there. And then I used a car from Planning Like a Pro with some deco behind that. And I think that's when we went to AutoZone. And then below that, I used a half a box. And in that half a box, I'm going to put some deco and a little White Deer stationery for laundry, which I'm going to put in there for change the sheets. And little print and cuts that I also put over some washi that are from Mr. and Mrs. Mint that I'm going to put right below that. I'm going to put some washi behind it here in a second because it looks a little too bare. So here I just put the little deco with the laundry, and I'm looking for my scripts to say change sheets. I'm going to stick that on there. And then I'm going to put some washi behind this, finally, of the print and cut. Oh, and below that I also put a little thing with a film and a little camera icon from Sincerely D Designs. Okay, moving right along. It is now Saturday, and I'm going to use this little piece of header to cover up the purple from the Recollections planner. And I'm going to use this quarter box and use a little flag so it gives a little dimension, and put the car on there from Planning Like a Pro. And then again, I use the deco, the 2 peaches, and the Sincerely D Designs TV. And once again, some deco and some little circles from the kit. I had a couple things I had to buy that day, and Then at the bottom of the day, I used a quarter box, and I marked it the same way up top with a plan next week from the kit. And then I put that I played Animal Crossing this day again, and that is a game night sticker from, I'm not really sure who that is from, but if you want to know, let me know down below. Okay, yep, and we're done. And here's the foil. I hope you enjoy the little shimmer and shine. If anybody wants to know anything, please comment below, and I'd be happy to let you know where I got anything from, okay? Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Bye.